Hello, I'm Eser from Bosch. Today's project is assembling wooden gates from scrap wood and mounting them to reinforced concrete columns. For the installation of the wooden board, we use the new GSR 185 Li cordless screwdriver. It covers all requirements for light and medium assembly tasks thanks to its torque of 50 Nm and as much as 1900 RPM. In this case, we drilled the soft wood with a wood drill, then fastened the individual details with wood screws. Thanks to its compact size, low weight and exceptional balance, the GSR 185 Li is ready to serve you all day without feeling tired and heavy. In addition, it is equipped with a brushless motor, which allows you to do much more work with a single charge of the battery. In addition to reduced consumption, the brushless technology allows us to work easily and comfortably even in places where we do not have electricity in bad atmospheric conditions such as high humidity and dust. After we have assembled the two wings of the gate, we proceed to the installation of the hinges. For this task, we use the GSR 120 Li, a 12-volt screwdriver with 30 Nm torque and 1500 RPM. Extremely light and comfortable, it is no coincidence that it is the best-selling screwdriver in its class. The hinges are in place and it is time to mount the wings to the reinforced concrete columns. For this task, we use the compact GBH 180 Li perforator, which, despite its size, provides us with an impact force of 2 joules. For perfect performance, we use an SDS Plus 7X drill bit with a full carbide head designed specifically for concrete with dense reinforcement. The GBH 180 Li is suitable for work with sizes up to F20. Thanks to the new brushless motor, it provides us with a long service life, less noise and heat. The holes are made as if we are drilling into oil. Screw the dowels again with GSR 120 Li. Another perfectly executed task thanks to Bosch cordless tools. And don't forget, longer service life, longer working time with one battery charge, less noise and heat, more compact, lighter, more ergonomic. This is them, Bosch Professional. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time at Bosch Professional Middle East channel. Thank you and goodbye.